Now we find the sum for this alternating series. Alternating means that it alternates between positive and negative due to this negative 1 raised to the n. So we've got n starting at 0, so negative 1 to the 0 and 2/3 to the 0, and then continue to use exponents 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the next one is going to be plus a negative 1 to the 1 and 2/3 to the 1. And the next one's going to be negative 1 squared, which is positive 1, and then 2/3 squared. And then for the third power, it's going to be negative 1 to the 3, which is a negative 1, and 2/3 gets cubed. And for the last one, it's going to be positive and 2/3 to the 4th. And then find the sum. So the first one is going to be 2/3 to the 0 is a 1. So it's going to be 1 and then minus 2/3. Next one is plus 2/3 squared minus 2/3 cubed and plus 2/3 to the 4th. So it's a 0.679. And then I can check my answer, have the calculator do the sum as well. So under list, second list, go over to math, and the fifth one down is sum. Go back to list, this time move to operations. The fifth one down is sequence, and then sum this sequence. So it's a negative 1 raised to the, and for a variable I'll just use x. Multiply that with 2/3 raised to the x, and then a comma. X is the variable, so I'm just telling the calculator that x is the variable, and then have it go from 0 to 4. There it is, 0.67.